Next exercise we're gonna do today is the bird dog. We're gonna start from that same tabletop position. We want a neutral spine, so not overly arched up and not sinking down, just right in the middle. We're gonna start off by reaching that right hand to the wall in front of us and drive that opposite leg, so the left leg, to the wall behind. It's important to keep your shoulders and hips square to the floor. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then switch. We start off 5 times to each side, eventually working our way up to 10 on each side. There's a progression after that, which is the dynamic bird dog. In the dynamic version, we do all 10 repetitions on one side. Bringing elbow to knee under our body.